Welcome back to Odoo 19 CRM Beginner Series Part 3. So in previous episode, we learned how to create a lead and how to manage them very easily, right? So now we are going to the next step, which is the important one. What is that? Yeah, converting that lead into the sales opportunity. So once a lead looks like a promising after a call or email, what we're actually going to do? Yeah, converting them into a real sales opportunity. Yeah, we are going to convert that lead into the sales opportunity very easily in Odoo 19 CRM module. And I'm going to show you how to actually look like leads, like when we are going to qualify that and converting them, and also how we can start our actual sales journey inside Odoo 19 CRM module. Okay, so without stretching the video, let's directly dive into Odoo 19. So here we are in the CRM dashboard, and to convert a lead to an opportunity is very simple inside CRM module. So I'm not stretching. Like inside CRM module, you can simply move to the lead side, and here you will see the list of all leads that created so far or in the previous episode. Like here you can see we have created a lead which is called furniture sales in the previous episode. So let's open the lead and look inside. Okay, there you can find all the details. Like there we have different kind of lead details inside the lead. You can review the details of the contact name, email, expected revenue, and notes or activities that you have already logged. That you can find all such things from here itself, right? Okay, so now we are moving this lead into an opportunity. If the customer has shown a real interest or responded positively to you, so for that we are going to convert this lead into an opportunity. Okay. To convert a lead into an opportunity, like there we can find an option to convert this to an opportunity. So once we are going to click on this option, you will get a pop-up window like this. So you can find, or you can see different kind of options, like the conversion action, convert to an opportunity, merge with an existing opportunity. Like you can link this into an existing customer, like if they are already in your database, or create a new one. Okay, or you can assign a salesperson or keep it under the same one, and you can even merge it with an existing opportunity if it's the part of the same deal or something else. So there you can find all such details from here, like the salesperson, sales team. You want to create a new customer, link into existing one. If you want to provide the company details again and again, you can simply provide that. Once we are checking this, everything look like a good thing and we are okay with all those options, we can simply click on an option which is create an opportunity. Okay, so now we are done with the opportunity creation. Now Odoo will automatically move this lead into the pipeline view. So you can find the configure option, and the form is completely changed into a new level. So where you can track it through different stages, like everything, like there you can find the new stage, qualified, proposition, and won as well as. So now let's move to the sales pipeline and find and see where we can find a new lead which is converted into an opportunity. Yeah, there we have the new one, which is furniture sales. Okay, so now let's click on here, and there you can find all the details, which there we have different options on the top side. If you want to create any quotation using this opportunity, you can simply click on the option to create a new quotation. And if you want to create any new rental orders, you can click on this option. If this opportunity is won, like if you are continuously following this customer, and once they are ready to purchase the furniture from our company, you can simply click on the one option. Or if you are failed in this opportunity, you can simply click on mark as lost. And there we have different kind of stages. Starting from the new to the one stages, you can simply move your opportunity from one stage to another stage. So let me move this opportunity into qualified one. Okay, once I'm done with that, there you can find all such details, and we need to provide the expected revenue from the opportunity. So here I'm going to give the expected revenue, which is 12,000 rupees. Once I'm done with that, let's simply save this. Okay, now let's move back to the sales pipeline, and there you can find our opportunity stage is converted or changed from new stage to the qualified one. Okay, now let's understand the opportunity view. Like now we are in the sales pipeline, and this card represent you our new opportunity. Okay, so each column here is a stage, like new, qualified, proposition, and one. You can find that. So you can simply drag and drop the particular opportunity from one stage to another stage, like manually changing the stage, whether you can change the stage in manual way using the format, or you can simply drag and drop. Like if I want to move my opportunity from qualified to the proposition one, I can simply drag and drop. Okay, so if we are going to open an opportunity card, you can simply provide all the details that I've already shown you. Like you can edit the expected revenue, closing date, and follow activities from here itself also. Like you can simply click on show activities button, and you can create an activity, or you can schedule an activity that belongs to this particular opportunities, and you can add note inside the format as well. Okay, so this is where the real sales process it's going to happen, from initial discussion to the final closing. Okay, so that's all about how to convert a lead into an opportunity in CRM module in a simple manner. So I hope you all understood how to convert leads into a sales opportunity within a few clicks and track them. Right. So we have already discussed about what the thing, like how to create a lead, how to convert that lead into sales opportunity, and how our sales tracking very easily and smoothly. Right. So I'm going to show you the next episode, very much interesting topic, and for that, stay tuned for that, and leave your comments down below, and suggest any new episodes or new topic for our beginner series, and I'll be back with that. Stay tuned. Bye bye.